episode this time it's a vlog, and I will guide you to the hidden spot for tourists. I'm sure you read the title of this video, but I will guide you to Shibamata area today. And that's my son Kingo. He became 2 years and 10 months. To Shibamata station, I recommend you to go to the Nippori station, JR line, and transfer to Keisei line. It takes about 30 minutes in total. On the way to the Shibamata station, you can see the beautiful local scenery from the window. By the way, Keisei line goes to the Narita airport.
Hi everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. So today I come to Shibamata area and it's famous for the movie The Otoko wa tsurai yo. And then this movie is kind of my favorite movie since I was a child. My family loved this movie, so we all watched together. So it's kind of memory kind of place. So let's discover this area. Let's go.
As you see, in front of the station, there is a statue of the movie Otoko wa tsurai yo. His name is Tora-san. So people take a lot of pictures of him. Not my son. Tora-san was wearing belly warmer all the time, so you can see the t-shirt. It's a motif of the movie. I found the dorayaki shop. Dorayaki is a Japanese pancake, and it has a red bean paste usually, but you can see matcha cream. I also found another motif from the movie, Tora-san's hat, sweater, and a travel bag. And this is one of the shops that the movie was filmed. I was so moved. I was happy to be there. I'll put the link of the movie. I hope you like it too.
So this is the main street of Shibamata area. And on the side of the street, there are so many Japanese fish shops, like dumplings and soba. Or I even found a sweet potato. So yummy.
And the street was so long. And since we visited there in the early morning, around 10 o'clock, so almost store has just opened. So I recommend you to be there around noon. And my son was so interested in soba making. He was watching him for a long time. The only regret was I forgot to buy the sweet potatoes. I should go again. And this is also the famous spot of the movie. Tora-san always visiting this temple after traveling, or even before traveling to chat with chief bones, or did fun thing with that again. He's a cleaning staff. Now before entering the temple, again we have to wash our hands. For my son, maybe it's too early to go to the temple. Temple is playground for him. Oops! And I found an interesting box. This is a lion dancing in a box and then give you a lot. The lion was too fancy, so we decided to try the traditional fortune-telling paper. So you need to shuffle the box and take out the stick, and you can see the special number in a stick. So you go to the drawers and take out one paper. I found the English version, so why don't you try it out? Near the temple, there is a beautiful river, so we decided to go there. And on the way to the river, you can see the Japanese garden. We didn't go there, but it seems this garden is ranked as a number 3 garden in all Japan. But don't worry, you can still enjoy the Japanese garden near the famous garden. Climbing the stairs, and then you can see the beautiful Edo-gawa. It's a Edo River. You see many scenes of Tora-san's movie. It's so peaceful place. I liked it. After walking, it's lunchtime.
So now we came to the eel food restaurant.
Here it is. It's eel dish. My parents like this dish, so I'm happy to be with them. I become hungry to see this video, so I speed it up. Hope it's okay for you.
So fluffy and so tasty.
I read this instruction, but eel is a very healthy food which has a vitamin A and vitamin B, and it also suppresses cholesterol.
So, when you come to Shibamata area, I recommend to try the dumpling. So yummy, so let's try. It's a little bit grilled, so you can enjoy a little bit smoked flavor and also sweet and salty flavor. Let's try it. So this is the other type of dumpling, and it's made by edible plants called yomogi. The color is green, and then we usually put the red bean paste. It's made of red beans. So let's try tasting. It's so chewy. And it goes well with the red beans. I recommend this one as well.
And I also recommend this shop. It's a Japanese sweet shop. I have never seen the shop that has so many varieties of Japanese sweets. I used to eat these kind of sweets when I was an elementary school student. It's so long time ago, but it reminds me of my old day, youthful day. So I really recommend this place. I can spend a day here. And on the second floor of this shop, they have museums. It's a toy museum. So you can see the old style arcade games and machines. It's very fun to see old kitchenware toys. My son enjoyed playing with the cars. If you're interested in Japanese style old games, please visit these museums. Thank you for watching, everyone. How was the video today? I hope you enjoyed the hidden spots in Tokyo. Hope you watched the movie. You can enjoy Shibamata more. Thank you so much. Bye.